Oh my goodness. You did. Oh my goodness.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are doing an office makeover. I am here at a family friend's new office. She has a nonprofit organization. She just moved out of her old office space. So before she actually moved in, the space was looking super outdated, I'm not gonna lie. So we added some fresh paint to give it a nice, updated, modern look. And that did wonders on the space. We have less than 24 hours to get this space styled to perfection so that she and her colleagues can come and get to work tomorrow. No time to waste. Today's makeover is a special one because it's for somebody who's very close to me. My family friend Pam is the founder of Healthy House for Women, a nonprofit that provides housing and support for women overcoming addiction. To be honest, I've always admired Pam for her business savvy, but she's overcome a lot and now she's used her story to help others. So today I wanted to pour a little bit back into her by creating an office where she can feel inspired, supported, and continue the powerful work that she does every day. It's actually almost 5 p.m. So they've all left the office and I have the next 5 hours to get this place together so that they can be wowed when they come in the morning. But first, let me show you the space. So when you first come in, this is the main office and it's looking a little chaotic, not gonna lie. So this room here is where her assistant works, and it's also gonna be where people come in for interviews or if clients come in that need assistance. So we wanna make it into a space that feels welcoming, not too cluttered. It's gonna be the first thing that people see. So we really wanna just bring some life to the walls, add some art, create some organization, and then also create some drop zones for guests. Drop zone number 1, coffee. We have this little coffee station right here. So I did suggest that we put it here and she did do that suggestion, which is great. But as you can see, it definitely needs some organizing. We have a storage cabinet here, and then we have another shelf back here. So we're thinking that this shelf can hold like merchandise because they do have like candles that they sell. And we'll see what comes. We're just going to explore and have fun with what's here. We have a lot of decor to work with, so that's really not a concern. It's more of just making sure there's enough space for everything and that it's functional. Anyways, let's go into the main office. So here is the main office. We actually bought this yesterday. If you guys want to see when we bought this plant and some of the other home decor items, make sure you go and follow my Instagram at home with Juju or my TikTok. Both accounts have some behind the scenes stuff of things I've been doing that I don't show on the channel all the time. So I'll make sure to drop the handle in the description box below. But yeah, give me a follow. Anyway, here is the room. We just bought this table today. I sent her a link to that unit and she has it set up. It's perfect. She already had this cabinet right here, so we're going to use this. She's had a lot of the decor, so we're just going to style it. A lot of the art and a lot of the decor she had already. We bought this plant and then she went to Home Goods and saw these chairs and we both felt they would be perfect for the space. Okay, so it's 5:30 on the dot. First step is to start styling everything and to remove the clutter. I just got this desk in place. It has this weird flap on it and she's not really a fan. So I think very first thing, I want to get rid of this flap and store this away somewhere just to bring some more modern-ish looks to this desk. And then we'll start styling and organizing everything. So it turns out I don't have the right size screwdriver. I actually have every size except the size that I need. So my friend is actually bringing me over a screwdriver. Actually forgot about this one too. Yeah, I've got everything but the size I need. The one that I use all the time. I took it out of my toolbox and I have not been able to find it since. It's somewhere in my home. I don't know where, but one is on the way. So let's pause on removing this weird black flap that I really don't know what the purpose of it is for. And then we can go ahead and start decluttering and maybe hang a few pictures. My favorite thing about this desk is the fact that it's on wheels, so she can move it in and out. If she wants to meet with people, she can push it a little closer, so that's really, really convenient. It's also very modern, but it's sleek. So for a small room like this, it works out perfectly. And I like that there's no base to it. I feel like a desk with a base would have been way too chunky for this base. It would have felt very heavy. And so this makes it feel airy and like there can be a little bit of a breath when you come in the room. I want to make sure I leave enough room where she can slide out. It looks like we're good there. And I'm gonna move it this way, just a hair. Okay, great. Okay, first things first, I want to hang this piece of art. I'm going to mark it with the tape where I want to hang it. The string is like about not midway, like about a quarter way down. And so I'm gonna mark where the string is because that's where it's gonna hang. I'm thinking that this is good. Yeah, I think so. Okay, actually, maybe I should do that second because I think I want to move the credenza over a little bit. Right now, it's a little farther this way. So yeah, I'm going to wait to do that. I just dropped my nail. Where did it go? I want this credenza to be centered to the wall, and right now it's... Actually, I think we're good. It's kind of center already. Let me see. Yeah, I think we're good.
12 seconds later.
I'll get everything in place first and then we'll do that. But let me see. Let me move this over some more.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
I'm gonna just move it this way a hair and then I'm gonna nail it.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Yeah, that feels centered to me. I'm gonna back away to see what it looks like. Yeah, that feels more center. I like that. We're gonna go with that.
Finally!
Yeah, let me hang that up. Woo! Make sure every time you hang something, you have a leveler so you can just make sure it's level on the wall. Leveler, and that says that it's level, so let's take a step back and see. Okay, all right, now it's time to style that area and then we can style the desk. If I can pick it up, we'll see. Yes, this huge box, it's full of books, and I think there is a shelf out there, but I think it would be also really nice to style a few of them here on the credenza. We also have a big gray box that I think would look nice right here. Let me show you. I do have some coffee table books though that we got at Home Goods. Let me try styling those first. She's got like a modern style, modern with like little pops of color here and there. I think I like this white part here. I don't know if you can see this, but this white I like better than the taupey color here because we already have this taupey book right here. We have a whole nother office across the way that we have to get done tonight. So I might do a lot of voiceovers just so we can finish, but I definitely want you guys to see what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. You want to put the smaller books on the bottom and stack them from like biggest to smallest. I don't like that these colors are so similar. I'm just gonna keep it like this for right now, but I might either swap these two or find one more book to put on top of this one here. Now, I think it's time to tackle this corner over here. There's a lot going on. I don't know if you can see. So she has this storage cabinet. It's a filing cabinet, and I think I want to put it underneath the desk. I think having the cabinet under here is going to do wonders for just clearing up a lot of that visual clutter. And I think once she sits in this space, she'll realize that it's a good choice to have it underneath the desk and not next to the credenza. I just feel like having the cabinet next to the credenza takes away from the look of the credenza. And it's also the same color. It looks very blocky and it doesn't let this stand out on its own. So I also found these two coffee table books. It's Chanel, and then there's also this one. These could be really nice too. Maybe we can try this one because it has the pink what is this called? Tell me in the comments, remind me. I can't think of the name right now. But we have this. Maybe we could put this. Yeah, I like that. And the pink matches the pink that's in the painting. That's perfect. Okay. Okay, so next it's time to tackle this area. I feel like this is too big for her space, this monitor. I think I'm gonna have to put it center. Yeah, the thing is, if there's people here, she can't see them, you know? So that's what made me put it off to the side. But then when I put it off to the side, I can't see how beautifully styled everything is. But I guess it's more important for her to see people. Here's a picture of her and her husband. I think I'm gonna put it right here so she can look at it every day. And then she also has this. I'm going to put it right next to the photo. Her business cards facing outwards. So I decided to put the screensaver center because she's actually not going to have that many people in here often. And if she does have somebody on occasion, she can just simply slide it over so that she can talk to whoever it is. Or if she decides she wants to like look out the window and work and keep it to the side, that's also an option. She could also put it over here. I like the way it looks when you first come in the room when it's nice and center. I think the way something looks when you first walk in sets the tone for how you move through the space for the rest of the time. So we want her to feel inspired and really enjoy the look of her space when she first comes into work each morning. Okay, let's go ahead and finish styling this up. We're almost done, and then we can go ahead and jump to the next room. So next, let's add some more art. We have these blank walls here. I don't want to over saturate or overfill the space with too much art, but I think a few little small touches would be nice, especially on this blank wall right here. I think we've got a good chunk done in this room. I am at a standstill. There's this empty space over to the right that I'm not quite sure what to do with. I think I want to put the lamp there. I just got to figure out how to plug the lamp from that side. I think it's time for us to pause and come back to this room. Sometimes if you get stumped, just leave it and return. So that's what we're going to do. Mostly the room is done. I still feel like it's missing something, but I don't quite know what that is. So let's jump to the next room, start organizing, and then we can come back to this room afterwards to get the final touches done. All right, so welcome to the main part of the office. This space needs the most work. It's the most cluttered. It just needs a little bit of styling and organization. The first thing I want to do is get the furniture in place, and then we can start decluttering, moving things out that don't belong. I can't stand this drawer right here. It does not look nice. I want to hide this. And I think under the desk is a perfect place for filing cabinets and those eyesores that you don't want to see, but items that you need to use on a daily basis. So there's a nice spot right here that I think we could slide this underneath if it fits. Hopefully it does, fingers crossed. Oh, it fits just right, guys. Let me show you the perfect fit. Look at this. Wow.
Oh my God! Wow!
I was not expecting that, but there we go. Fits perfectly. Great. Now, these are actually outdoor chairs, but they were on sale because it's getting colder out. And so we got it for like almost 80% off, which is crazy. There is no rule that says you have to use outdoor furniture outside. I see using indoor furniture outside, that can be a problem, right? But you can always use outdoor furniture inside. Half the time people don't even realize.
My goodness.
Oh, you hadn't seen this yet?
No.
Oh, she did really well.
Oh, Jelaine, it looks beautiful. Oh my goodness! You did. Oh my goodness! Yes, I love it.
Yeah, it came out well. And you like your new look? That's so much better.
Yes. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh, it looks good.
Yeah.
That looks so nice.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
did a phenomenal job.
Thank
Yeah.
you.